Good News 18 at good update para sa ating SB19. Sila nakatanggap ng sponsor sa Amerika. Hindi lang basta sponsor, kundi gold sponsor para sa kanilang concert doon. Malaking bagay ito sa ating SB19. Major sponsorship ito para sa kanilang magaling na pag-perform at dynamic live performance na concert sa Amerika. Deserve nila yan. Ang gold sponsor for a concert is top-tier sponsor that provides significant financial or in-kind support for the event, often in exchange for prominent branding and recognition opportunities. They are typically entitled to the most visible logo placement, on-stage acknowledgement, speaking opportunities, and other premium benefits. O diba, ang laki. Malaking branding recognition, on-stage recognition, high-level branding, both space, speaking opportunities at marami pang ibang benefits sa gold sponsor na natanggap ng SB19 sa taga-Amerika US 18. Kaya naman maraming salamat. Dito nga may napansin tayo na may logo ang gold sponsor ng SB19. Gold sponsor, below logo niya. O diba talagang so lucky ang SB19 dahil sobrang bait nila. Deserve na deserve.